Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to get and use Chat GPT and Chat GPT-4 features for free on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started. Please, if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. So I've already installed this application, so I'm going to go ahead and click on open. So here I'm going to click on continue again. So here, as you can see, you have this text box here where you can input your text, and up here you can select to use whether the Chat GPT 3.5 or Chat GPT 4. So I'm going to try with the Chat GPT 4. So select it. Here you can just type any random thing, like let me type what is good morning in Spanish. So as you can see here, it says good morning in Spanish is buenos dias. So you can use this Chat GPT for a lot of things, guys. You can use it to write your essays, you can use it to solve your mathematics questions, you can use it for a lot of things. So when you go over here, it also has a voice feature if you want to record your voice to ask questions. So here,
hello there, how can I assist you today?
what is computer science?
Computer science is the study of computers and computing technologies, including software development, algorithms, programming languages, computer hardware, and computer systems. It involves computer theory, design, development, and
So guys, you can see you can use this thing for a lot of things, both your essay writing, your interviews, and to translate words from one language to the other. You can translate anything you want. So here I'm not going to test every feature on this app, so you can just download this and check it out for yourselves. So I'm going to leave the link to this application in the video description below. So if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.